So this next trick is going to be one that might seem a bit unconventional. We're going to go to File, Options, and I want you to jump into Mail and go to your spelling and autocorrect. We're actually going to use autocorrect options as a way to do like a keyboard shortcut for certain text to appear. So let me give you an example. I have some of these in here already. If I were to type in TY1 into a message, what would come up is thank you for doing business with us. And if I typed in TY2, it would be thank you for being a loyal customer. And so I've actually created a bunch of TY is my code, TY, and then I use some sort of thank you to go with it. The idea is that if I just want to insert one line of plain text, no rich text formatting with this, but I use it every once in a while and often enough, I might want to create this little short key type of code to go with it. So when people do this, if they get really experienced at doing this, they often will create a Word document as a cheat sheet for these and keep that printed out. But what's nice about autocorrect is that autocorrect is the same thing that will take when you type in TEH and you've misspelled the, that's what automatically corrects it to be THE. So when you type in whatever your code is, it will automatically, after you hit the space bar, correct it to be that information. So just keep in mind, we can create this to be a full paragraph or just a sentence or even just a single word. Okay, when you're done, hit Add, and you'll see it adds to the list. Hit OK, hit OK, hit OK. Again, we went in there through File, and then Options. We went into Mail, we went into Spelling and Autocorrect, and then our Autocorrect Options is where we landed. So just keep in mind that that's where you're going to find that. Now, if I go in to type a new email, I'm going to just type in TY1 to start. Now notice, didn't do it. Capital T, capital Y1, enter, did it. Capital T, capital Y, 2, space, did it. And I'll just put number 5 in that we just did as well. So again, the idea here is it might not be so much information that you need to create your own separate signature or template for it, but wouldn't you rather type in 3 keystrokes than 30? So my idea with any of these shortcuts is the fewer keystrokes, the more time I've saved you. And in my experience with data entry, every keystroke costs money. So the idea of how do we create some shortcuts, they should be intuitive for you, easy to manage. Again, you might want to print out a cheat sheet of what they are as you make them, but that can really be a big time saver. Again, the idea there was to work with autocorrect.